If you give me just a couple minutes of your time, I'm going to show you that I have information that you desperately need, and I'm going to show you how that information will save you thousands of dollars over and over again. Not one time, but every time you want to protect the name of a business, product, or slogan. This information is so powerful, it will even teach you how to protect your name for free. Have I got your attention? What's in a name? Everything. It's your most valuable asset. When you use the name of a business, product, or slogan, you are investing in it more and more every single day. Some of you may think you already are protected because you registered a business name or a corporation, but that's just dead wrong. It has nothing to do with protecting your name in commerce. You don't need a copyright, you don't need a patent. What you need is trademark or service mark protection. The scary thing is, unless you understand trademarks, you'll never know that there's a problem until the lawsuit hits. No one ever wants to see that dreaded cease and desist letter, the one that informs you that you are infringing on someone and that you have to change your name. A simple little letter like that could easily put you out of business, or at best it could cripple you financially. So, you know you should protect your names. There's no debate, but amazingly, most competent, intelligent, small business people just do nothing. And they just hope for the best because it's just too expensive to use an attorney every time you think of a new product name or a slogan or a new business idea. And it's certainly way too confusing to do it yourself without someone to coach you. I've got some good news for you. The excuses are over. Hi, I'm Bo Blaze. I'm an entrepreneur, certified professional coach, and more importantly to you right now, I've owned a trademark research company for the last 15 years. When we started back in the Stone Age, BI, before the internet, you had no choice but to spend thousands of dollars every time you wanted to protect the name of anything. And then came the internet, and everything changed. My company, Creative Trademark, was one of the first to go online and offer trademark searches at a fraction of the cost. We were mavericks back then, and it was a lot of fun. We were making it possible for the little guy and the attorney alike to save a lot of money. But recently, I had realized that when friends and family asked me for help protecting a name, I would go into this long-winded explanation about how things had changed. And if you just understood a few things, it wasn't that hard to do it all yourself, or at least do some of it yourself and then know who you should be hiring for the rest. With the right info these days, you could almost duplicate what we do when we do a search. If they just understood a few things. But of course, they didn't understand those few things, and then it hit me. Trademark professionals are not really set up to help you, the average person. As a matter of fact, some are downright misleading on purpose. They either want to sell trademark searches and filing services, or they're attorneys who want to charge you thousands of dollars. No one's business model was set up to give you the info that would help you most. And definitely, no one was going to be telling you the dirty little secret of the industry, which is that once you understand how trademarks really work, you can protect yourself very inexpensively, and even for free. I mean, you don't even have to pay the trademark registration fee if you can't afford it. So, what if my legal team and I taught them everything we've learned over the last 15 years? Really, this stuff isn't rocket science. It's just a lot of information gained over the years. I could teach you to save thousands of dollars not just one time, but every time. And that by educating people, I'd actually now increase my own market exponentially. I could make more money helping people save more money, and more importantly, making it affordable enough so people would actually do it. And suddenly, I felt like a maverick again. And I realized that this is what I've been wanting to tell my mom, or best friend, or sister-in-law, or anyone who asked me for trademark advice. And just like that, protect the name. The simple three-step system was born. And I am really proud of it. This course is so revolutionary, such a groundbreaking game changer for our industry, I will never be able to show my face at another intellectual property trade show again. Imagine teaching you how to do it instead of charging you over and over. What a crazy idea! How much would you pay to sit down with the owner of a well-known trademark research company and have them tell you all their secrets? How much would you pay to look over the shoulder of an attorney while they went through the 3 basic steps of trademark protection? In the Protect the Name simple 3-step system, you do 3 things. 1. Research the name. 2. Decide if you can use that name. And 3. Register the name. That's it. It's that simple. I've put together a course that costs less than 1 hour of an attorney's time, less than 1 trademark search, and less than the cost of registering just 1 trademark. You get all the information written in plain English and 2 step-by-step videos done by our legal team showing you exactly how they do each of the 3 steps involved. We will teach you everything you need to know about protecting the name of your business, product, or slogan. You know, despite what it may seem, I can't sell anything that doesn't resonate with me. But it's really easy to sell something when you believe in it. And that's why this course comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I have personally overseen every word of this course. It's my baby. And I know you are going to be blown away. But if for any reason you aren't, you have 2 months to get your money back, no questions asked. As a matter of fact, I insist that if you don't agree that this course actually over-delivers and is an amazing bargain, that you ask for your money back. A knowledgeable trademark attorney would charge you $2,000 or more to fully protect just 1 name. And if we charge that, it would still be a bargain because we're not giving you a fish, we're teaching you how to fish. Think of the cost for a simple new company with 3 or 4 products. Even with a sizable discount, they'd be going for like $7,500. And did I mention that if you do a search and realize that you can't use a name, or you apply for registration and find out that the name is already taken, there are no refunds. That means you have to spend the $300 and the $325 all over again, over and over, every time you make that mistake. Trademark protection can be a bottomless pit. This is why so many of you just do nothing. And which is why making this info available is so important for the average person. Okay, I don't know about you, but I hate those guys who give you 14 prices till the thing ends up costing like 12 bucks. So let me just lay this on the line. This course regularly sells for only $299. It's an amazing bargain, right? It's less than the price of just 1 average search. But our downloadable internet price, which is what you'll be getting right here, is only $249. That's $249 for an education you can't get anywhere else. So click on the link above right now and start protecting yourself today. Remember, you have 60 days to get your money. I know I told you that I hate those guys who keep lowering the price, but I'm guessing you probably think if you're still around, it's pretty okay if I keep lowering the price, right? Okay, so look, I know it's crazy, but I want to give you a $50 coupon. I really feel that this product is an amazing value, and I just need to get the word out there. And I just ask you for one small favor in exchange. After you've gone through the course, I want you to post on Facebook or Twitter or any other social media place your honest review of our system. That's it. Just please post your honest opinion, and you pay only $199 for this amazing course. You pay for insurance without a second thought. This is truly the least expensive insurance with the most coverage you'll ever purchase. And if you don't agree, remember, you have 60 days to get your money back. I guarantee it.